Geotechnical investigation services in Rohini are an essential part of any construction project. These services involve studying the soil and rock properties at a construction site to determine their suitability for the proposed project. A geotechnical investigation helps in understanding the ground conditions, which is crucial for designing foundations, slope stability, and other aspects of the project. Rohini, being a rapidly developing area in Delhi, requires thorough geotechnical investigation services to ensure safe and successful construction projects. The soil composition and geology of Rohini may vary from one location to another, making it imperative to conduct detailed investigations tailored to the specific needs of each project. Geotechnical investigation services in Rohini involve various methods and techniques. Soil samples are collected from different depths and analyzed in a laboratory to determine their physical and mechanical properties. The investigation also includes testing for groundwater levels, soil compaction, and permeability. These findings help engineers and designers make informed decisions about the design and construction methods. Geotechnical investigation services play a crucial role in the design of structures. The data gathered from these investigations helps engineers determine the appropriate foundation type, whether it be shallow or deep foundations, and the required bearing capacity for different types of structures. The investigations also provide information about potential risks such as landslides or soil liquefaction, allowing engineers to design appropriate measures to mitigate these risks. SCON design, or structural concrete design, is another important aspect of construction projects. It involves designing reinforced concrete structures such as buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure components. In conclusion, geotechnical investigation services in Rohini are vital for any construction project in the area. In land development projects in Rohini, contour surveyors are essential. They supply reliable data regarding the height and slope of the ground thanks to their proficiency in topographic mapping and land surveying. To create structures and infrastructure that are both useful and visually beautiful, architects, engineers, and urban planners need to know this information. To precisely chart the ground, the contour surveyors in Rohini employ cutting-edge equipment like DGP sand laser scanners. In order to make detailed contour maps, they gather information about the land's existing characteristics, including both natural and man-made structures. These maps aid in locating any potential problems or restrictions that must be handled during the design phase.